Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by creating a Windows restore point before updating any drivers on your Tuf F15. This step protects your system in case an update causes issues later. Confirm the exact model number, like Tuf F15 FX506, from the bottom sticker and in Windows settings. Check that battery level is above 50% or connect the charger to prevent power loss during updates. Note your current driver versions in Device Manager so you can verify updates after installation. Close all applications and temporarily disable third-party antivirus software before you begin updating drivers. Go to Support, ASUS.com and enter your Tuf F15 model to locate official drivers quickly. Download the chipset and Intel Me packages first because they establish system stability and communication. Next, download NVIDIA GeForce drivers for your GPU and Realtek or Connexent audio drivers for sound. Install drivers in that order and reboot when prompted between major installs to ensure proper loading. You can also open Device Manager and choose Update Driver for specific devices if you prefer manual control. Alternatively, use ASUS Live Update utility to automate downloads and installations safely. After installing each driver, reboot the laptop and open Device Manager to confirm functionality. Inspect for any yellow exclamation marks and roll back the driver if problems appear after an update. Test Wi-Fi connectivity, sound playback, and GPU performance to ensure devices operate normally. Compare installed driver versions against the ASUS support page to verify you installed the latest releases. Create a driver backup using a disk image or export installer files for future recovery. Schedule monthly checks or enable ASUS Live Update to keep your Tuf F15 drivers current and stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.